All right, let's see. I'm going to use this side. Right over here, you see the pineal gland, okay? And then this little mound is the superior colliculus. So you can also see these from the sagittal view, the mid-sagittal view. Between the cerebellum and the brainstem, there is the fourth ventricle right here. In fact, you can kind of see a little flap of tissue that forms like a channel to keep the fluid within. And so remember our cerebrospinal fluid cerebrospinal fluid flow, it goes from the third ventricle to the fourth. There is a little canal right along here. I'm just going to make it a little more obvious. This canal leads right to the fourth ventricle. Who remembers what that's called? Remember the Romans, how they used to transport water?
Oh, aqueduct.
Yes, the cerebral aqueduct, okay, or the aqueduct of Sylvius. That's what that little canal there is. Cerebral aqueduct or aqueduct of Sylvius. Okay? So again, to review, we have two lateral ventricles. 1, 2. One of them may be covered by the septum pellucidum, which normally divides the two or separates the two ventricles from each other. You may find choroid plexus within the lateral ventricles. We have the corpus callosum that's above the lateral ventricle. We have the rostrum near the front and the splenium near the back. Then we have the bottom collection of fibers here. It's called the fornix. And then below the fornix, we have the third ventricle. Okay, you can see it a little better here. Again, it may have its own choroid plexus. Then we have the thalamus, or the intermediate mass of the thalamus. We have the hypothalamus just below it and slightly anterior to it. We have the cerebral aqueduct, or the aqueduct of Sylvius, that leads to the fourth ventricle, which is between the cerebellum and the brainstem. And again, from this view, we can also see the pineal gland and the superior colliculus. Okay? Do you have any questions? Oh, and arbor vitae as far as the arrangement. All right, so get to it, you guys.